Hey guys, Starr here with Starr Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty, standing inside our beautiful new listing. This one is 3 Maureen Drive in Simsbury, Connecticut, a part of the Tooten Hills Elementary School District located in West Simsbury. This is a beautifully remodeled inside Cape style home. It is 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths. It's got a great separate second floor laundry. There are so many wonderful things you could do with this house. There's great expansion possibilities over the garage to build your own master suite already prepped for you. There's a 1-car attached garage. They have a great partially finished basement as well. There is tons of detailed woodwork, nice open bright spaces throughout. It's got great recessed lighting as well. All the baths have been remodeled with granite countertops or marble floors. It's got a cute little nook back there for your own bar, which I love, and so many wonderful features. Can you see these beautiful arched doorways behind me? So I'll give you a quick little tour of this property to show you what else it has. As you enter the side from the garage, you'll see this beautifully remodeled kitchen. Look at this great recessed lighting, no popcorn ceilings, all of these honed granite countertops with a great little center island. You've got this beautiful backsplash and under cabinet lighting, all stainless appliances. This was all done just within the last couple of years. Great molding and extra finish work on the trim throughout. Look at this spacious dining room. This is an enormous table in here. Located in a sweet little neighborhood here in West Simsbury. This is all open into a nice little foyer. And you've got a first floor bath as well. Into the living room too that we just saw. If you want more details on this property hitting the market in just a few days, you better give us a call, 860-325-2484, or visit us on our website at starrealtygroup.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.